Good afternoon, and I'm talking to you from our fairly vacant offices here at Kaplan Morrell to discuss some of the things that are happening in workers' compensation, particularly workers' compensation hearings, which are no longer being held in person. They are all by telephone conference or internet video conference, and so I wanted to do a quick video about how you can best prepare and present for your video testimony for a hearing if you have a hearing in workers' compensation, and it's going to be held, but there's not going to be a courtroom you're going to go to. Instead, you're going to be doing it by video. Now, right now, the state of Colorado is holding hearings in workers' compensation using Google Hangouts. I wish they did Zoom. They don't. Google Hangouts. So there are 6 tips that you can follow that will make your testimony the best possible so you can put your best foot forward. So number 1, please don't do this hearing in your car. Please don't do it in a room full of other people. Please don't do it in a room with lots of distractions. And if you have a light source like a window, please make sure the light source isn't behind you so you look like you're in the witness protection program, but instead the light source is in front of you and the darker is going to be behind you so that you're lit up and people can see you. So, number 1, don't be in your car. Don't be in a place with a lot of people wandering around. If you can avoid having animals wandering through, cats, dogs, etc., do that and have the light source in front of you, not behind you. It doesn't work this way, okay? Number 2, and this is somewhat important, and you would think it's kind of self-explanatory, but dress up. Don't show up in your short sleeve shirt or a Bubba shirt or whatever. Just dress nicely, shirt with a tie or just a collared shirt, something like that. Dress appropriately as if you were going to court. Now, below the waist, I don't care if you're naked, but don't stand up. But at least dress nicely from the waist up, okay? Number 2, one of the things I see clients do in all sorts of video appointments is they move around, they're wandering. One lady talked to me in her bathroom, which was a little awkward and embarrassing, or else when they do it, they're like this, holding the phone or whatever like this, and that's kind of weird because I'm seeing their nasal cavities. So here's what I recommend. Put the phone on something, preferably away from you, that stays still, and you're not having to touch it. The phone isn't moving around. We're not getting this Blair Witch kind of thing going, and we can see you, and it's stable. Really important, okay? Number 4, if you can, please, if you have your own computer, if you have an iPad, if you have an iPhone Touch, if you have any device that you can join the hearing on that isn't your phone, I recommend that. Why? Because you're gonna, in the middle of your testimony, mom or dad or a child or an aunt or uncle or friend is going to call you and interrupt things. And then you're gonna be like, one moment, and you're gonna be swiping and everything, and things are gonna go a little chaotic. So if you can do the video conference hearing on a device that isn't your phone, that's good, because I guarantee you someone will call. Someone will call. Number 5, if you can, use a headset, okay? Use a headset. Even if you're in a quiet room, you'll be able to hear better. We hopefully will be able to hear you better because you're speaking right into a microphone, and your testimony will be that much more clear. Number 6, this is gonna be harder, but wait until the questions are done. Wait for there to be a pause, then answer. Oftentimes when we're in video hearing, there may be a lag or a delay, and then all of a sudden we'll start talking over each other. And again, when you are testifying in court, you want to put as few barriers in between your story and the judge as possible. You want to be clear, you want to be concise, and more importantly, you want to be persuasive, because this hearing is your opportunity to show you are the most believable witness. So Those are 6 tips that I recommend for claimants who are going to be testifying in workers' compensation hearings under the new rules during the quarantine and pandemic. As always, if you or anyone that you love is injured in Colorado, let them know about Kaplan Morrell. We're a law firm that's been helping injured and disabled workers since 1997. All of our attorneys do workers' compensation. That's primarily almost all that we do. That makes us very boring at parties, but really good in helping you. And with that, I wish you the best. I wish you health, long life, and hopefully you'll never be injured. You'll never need us, but in case you are, call us at 970-356-9898. Have a great afternoon. Thanks for listening. Bye.